Merrithew Strength Tubing Core is a highly effective way to add peripheral resistance to any workout. Available in regular and extra strength, it is made from eco-friendly TPE and can help strengthen and tone the upper body, the lower body, as well as targeting core muscles in the abdomen and back. The length is ideal for movements in a larger range to ensure stability and strength in all functional activities and sport performance. A soft fabric covering adds comfort to the tubing, and the foam padded handles attach securely, providing an ergonomic grip that ensures ideal alignment of the forearm, wrist, and hand. Portable and versatile, the Strength Tubing Core can be used in workouts for beginner-level clients to avid exercisers.